one thing that I've learned over the years about the guitar is there's many different ways to play the exact same notes. And there's no one right way to do it. The right way to me means the way that I personally can play it the best. So we're kind of at a crossroads right now because I want to show you yet another way to play the same notes, but instead of using 3 fingers on the right hand, I want to show you how to use 4 fingers. So let me show you that right now. Before I forget, I just wanted to point out that there may be some of you that are doing this course without the free study guide, and you are missing out on a lot of videos that are not on YouTube. All right, so if you want to get the free study guide, I mean it's free, there's no reason not to get it. Just go and click on this button right there, and that'll take you to the download page of the study guide, and go ahead and get that. And a lot of this is going to make a lot more sense when you have the study guide in front of you, okay? So with this particular song here, there's an opportunity here with this waltz pattern to be able to use 4 fingers, okay? And if you see in the study guide right underneath this video, in fact, let me just go ahead and pop up this flow chart here. All right, we're looking at it, and we could see that this flow chart is slightly different than what we're used to, what we've been doing here on this song so far. And what's different is we're adding the ring finger. Okay, we're gonna pluck this, pick this song with 4 fingers instead of 3. So we're starting off with the thumb, then the index, then the middle, then the ring, then the middle, then the index. Okay. Instead of going like this, instead of going thumb, thumb, okay, we're going thumb, index, middle, ring finger, that's the new finger we're going to use, then middle, and then index to come back. So the whole pattern is like this. Why don't you try that with me, okay? So it's thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. Okay? The strings are the same for the G chord. I'll go ahead and play it for you. So it would be thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. And the strings we pluck, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now there's going to be a lot of you that are going to find this a little bit easier than going thumb, thumb. So that's the old way that we've been doing things, or the way that we've been doing it here, and switching over to this way, which is more of a classical approach. The classical instructor would say this is correct. All right, so why don't you try that, okay? Why don't we play it for a little bit together, okay? I hope you have your guitar. Let's go real slow, and I'll count out the strings. So we've got 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And I'm holding down the G chord right here. So that's with the G chord. Now, what I'm going to tell you is that when we go to play this song, okay, you have a choice to either play it the way that it's written, that I have it written with the thumb and the thumb, or to use this as a pattern, okay? So you're kind of at a crossroads here. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to get your metronome out, because you got to do a little homework here. And what I want you to do is set the metronome real slow, and I want you to go ahead and I want you to try the pattern both ways. Okay? I want you to try, playing a G chord. And then trying it this way. And I want you to decide what's easier for you. Now, this pattern here, when we do go to the C chord, it's the same thing, okay? It's still thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, okay? Same thing with the D chord. They're always going to be the same strings, but all we're doing is we're just going with this pattern now, even on the D chord. We're using 4 fingers instead of 3. Okay, so now you know why with the 3-fingered pattern why we're going like this. Because we have 3 fingers and we're hitting 4 notes. Okay, we're hitting 4 strings. And that's why the thumb does 2 of the notes. All right? I suppose you could even get creative. I said there's many different ways to do it. You could either even do this. Or do this. See what I'm doing? That's 2 fingers. So what I want you to do is just get your metronome out, and I want you to try it both ways. And see what is easier for you. Because all you have to do for the rest of this course is I have it written for thumb, thumb, okay? All you have to do is just go thumb, then index, just use this pattern for the rest of the course, if it's easier for you doing it with the 4 fingers rather than 3. Now I'm going to tell you personally that I find this awkward for me, okay? Personally, for me, it's much easier for me to do it this way. And it even sounds different. I have better control over just using the 3 fingers. But it's totally up to you. All right, if you need help with this, all you have to do is email me at acousticguitarvideos@gmail.com and I'll help you with this. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.